In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email headers in Outlook. 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to verify where a message really came from, check delivery delays, or investigate a suspicious email, the message headers are your best friend. They're a block of technical details added by mail servers that show the path an email took when it moved between servers and how authentication checks like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC performed. Let's walk through it together in Outlook on the web. First, open Outlook and sign in. Once you're in, switch to Mail so you're looking at your mailbox. Open your inbox so you can see your messages, then choose the specific email you want to inspect. It's important to select the exact message in question because every email has its own unique set of headers. With the message open in the reading pane, look for the 3 dots, also known as More Actions. You'll usually find this near the top of the message view. Click it to open the menu, then choose View. From there, select View Message Source. Outlook will open a new tab or window showing the raw source of the email. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first, that's normal. At the top you'll see the headers, which are lines of text ending in colons. Common ones include from, to, subject, and date, which confirm the basic details. The received lines show the route the email took with the most recent server at the top. If you're investigating a delay, compare those timestamps to see where time was spent. You'll also see authentication results, which summarize checks like SPF-SET, DKIM-S, and DMRC-SES. A pass is a good sign that the sender is legitimate. A fail or none may warrant caution. A couple of tips to make this easier: use your browser's find feature to jump to specific terms like received, authentication results, SPFC, DKIM-S, or DMRC-SED. If you need to share the headers with your support team, select all and copy the full text so they can analyze it consistently. Avoid posting full headers publicly, since they may include details about your email environment. When you're done, simply close the source tab to return to your mailbox. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, open your inbox, select the email, use the 3-dot menu, choose View, and then View Message Source. With these steps, you can confidently review headers to validate senders, trace delivery paths, and spot red flags quickly.